Rangbah ka sarkar jilla konrat ke sangma haka arwai tirklaling kot ula plat Haduh sau Klur tingka Naka Bhah khajana Dewïong shaka Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council JHDC yakani ula sanction order ula I how chief executive member JHDC ma thambor shiwat ha ka jingna yokjat ka baningkong ka jongu yak office trekam jong ka council hadin ka program Meghalaya de kabalong ha district library auditorium jowai agani ka singile don lang kiar ngut kisembut Myntri Rangbah uba preston tensang uma snew bhalang dhar ki Myntri sarkar bakentup ya uma coming one omban u80 mandal MLA jowai wailat miki shila nelor ki dukhat executive committee ka council nakalyang uma CM thambor shiwan ula penpau ya ka jingsngungu Myntri Rangbah konrat ki sangma ubla shimkhia ban palat yakani ka Bhah khajana na ka benta baka council khanang banjo siu yaka tulop jongki nong tre kabala kenjo shaka khatar banai nadu luber arja apsa uma thambor ula khublei ru yaki kumju yaki arngut ki sembut Myntri Rangbah bat u MLA kiba la shimkhia ban yasa na ka benta ban palat yakani ka Bhah khajana ka council ban penjam ya ka jing ki nong tre jong ka council barok way
Bandraganj, Sanjay Sangma, our respected CEM, all the EMs, MDCs and the officials of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. First of all, of course, I would like on behalf of my entire cabinet to wish you all a very, very happy Meghalaya Day. We did not have this program. We did not think that we will come here, but we decided to come here because it would give us an opportunity to greet all of you on Meghalaya Day and meet all of you. And most importantly, on this very important occasion of the 53rd anniversary of Meghalaya Day, statehood. On behalf of all the cabinet colleagues out here, especially our Deputy Chief Minister, Masnyo Balangdhar, and our Cabinet Minister, Ma Komeng, as well as our local MLA, Ma Waila, who have been continuously expressing their concerns about the challenges that the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council is facing in terms of finances, because of their continuous pressure and follow-up and their request that some support be given to the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. I am happy that on this day of 21st of January 2025, marking the 53rd anniversary of our statehood, I am happy that Government of Meghalaya has sanctioned rupees 40 crores as an advance payment of share of royalty on the major mine minerals to the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. I'm sure that these funds will help you to clear some of the backlog in terms of salaries and other expenditures. I would like to, at this moment, hand over this sanction letter to our respected CEM.